पण ही केम दिसत सर 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 एक मिनिट हॅलो बस सर एक मिनिट सर एक मिनिट सर एक मिनिट
So this unit has two independent rooms. One is the modern setup for that. So this is a table and an ID student, PT student. And cash agent. So this equipment is made for.
What is this equipment?
अभ्यंग करतात full body massage, standing
स्टील थेरपी करता आम्ही मॉडर्न
Steel, yeah.
that is in आयुर्वेदिक way
massage and sleep.
Even I told FX yesterday, they must get blankets. They must provide blankets.
Yes.
They must provide bed sheets. All those FX. ना तुमचे blanket नव्हते. त्यांचे blanket. तुम्ही ते काय देऊ नका. आणि त्यांचे blanket किती पेशंट आहेत? FX
आमच्याकडे 15 बेड्स असतात.
तीनच्या छोटं तुमच्या सांभाळता आमचे लोक
आणि ते सॅम्पल घेतात ते रिपोर्ट करण्यासाठी ना
रिपोर्ट तुम्ही दाखवा ना ओनली कॅन इट विल कम देन ओनली इट विल बी शोन आय मीन हे जे डायलिसिस करता का जे
ते
करून जाईल सो वाय यू डोंट यूज
रिपोर्ट कंटिन्यू लेवल किती
देऊन जाईल कंपल्सरी देऊन जाईल तुमचं इंचार्ज कोण आहे
लक्ष्य
You come from, you are from Apex, right?
Yes.
So now what he is saying, the patient is saying that after every dialysis and all, what's his creatinine level and all this, you are going to do this. Then the patient has the right to know exactly what his creatinine level and what's happening. He's saying no. How you are saying yes? There's no WhatsApp. The patient
Sir wants to know what is the frequency of we giving the report. After every day we give or once in a month?
Once a month.
Sir,
Once
we
a
give
month.
once in a month. It as per the protocol actually. Whatever Dr.
Dr. Tiwari.
त्यांची मीटिंग तिवारी लिंगडे सगळ्यांची मीटिंग ते लिंगडे comes here how frequently?
Once a week. There are also patients are there, he comes on.
And also I've asked you, since meeting आपने जैसे रचना, they must bring their own blankets and all. Who patient should not bring. They must provide. You must provide bed sheets onwards. So buy the bed sheets and all.
So we have asked them, they refuse. Patients refuse.
What bed sheet?
Yes, sir.
Why?
They say for hygienic purpose they get their own bed sheet.
Okay, anyway, but blankets and all you should hygiene. You should maintain and give it to them. Then, how many patients are there? How many patients?
15 beds, sir. For each shift, 15.
Lady born? Sir?
नेबुलाइजेशन and suggest चाल कर ले एक खिचड़ी रूम नेबुलाइजेशन क्या बोलते हैं इसके बाद चेक करते हैं और दूसरा क्या वो लेकिन देखते हैं डॉक्टर नर्स किधर है नर्स this food Sodexo proposal घालून
She's Dr. Salim, sir. The chairs use so that they can sit comfortably. If you see me, I'm in a breastfeeding. I'm now a QR figure, sir, from Himalaya under CSSR. काम certified जाल्यार recently. Because of that, they have given. Today sister,
So we have 3 sisters on duty now. So I'm working in the
sister, sister.
I have recruited. Where have you gone?
here we have 6 babies who can fix in. Babies come just now from NSA with respect to discuss. So Robert twins, 1.8 kg, 7 kg, 30. Saturday seeds.
All the equipment, all are functional.
Yes. She's a diagnostic kangaroo mother. Robert twins, kangaroo mother.
Sir, essentially actually आमचे बरे आसा. Only the capacity is limited, and that may be because of the want of
Capacity limited
I mean,
means
I mean,
I believe for
currently
short of.
Yes, so we would like to have more nurses, sir. We have 13 presently, and if you want to run 10 guided,
we currently we are dealing with 5.
Around the clock, MOs also, sir.
Yeah, but at the moment, what is the situation?
so
This is
one,
all
we have
gone.
one NHM medical officer for SNCU, and other 5 in the general pool. So we are managing with the 6 medical officers. So the day
The pediatric and fast, sir.
Altogether, essence.
so altogether are 6.
6.
How many years do you spend?
I've been in pediatrics since you 39 years.
ठीक है extension do now.
She,
He retired.
Retired?
December. He retired in December 31st.
he was told time and again, but he declined. And same is with the
We have occupational therapists also. We have a special educator and a social worker and everything.
But you need a proper environment, but you got enough infrastructure. What all you require for the early care detection and all?
So we need more space actually. We need a permanent space. Right now, we need the
Dr. Borkar, they cannot be kept like this in this type of quarantine. This is worse than a quarantine.
sir, this is a stopgap arrangement.
No, but they cannot be
basically.
that.
Everything why actually, sir. थोडीच नर्सिंगाच्या हाफ लायब्ररी आहे सर. So we are giving the things many people.
So basically, sir, these are occupational therapists, the speech therapy are on bond, but we are only physical.
आता आमच्याकडे सर appropriate staff
So we are just made cabin with the library
ही
cupboard.
सध्या आम्ही कवर घालून त्याला सर्टिफिकेट stopgap.
आपण करून आहे भुरग्यांना इम्पॉर्टन्स यूज आहे अर्ली डिटेक्शन सेंटर इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट बघा आय विल कम बॅक अँड सी
Dr. Mithila was getting transferred to Pasheen as a permanent coach. I don't think it is like fair to the children. I would say how easy it's over now. I wouldn't want to do that.
I'm aware of it.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, we have called for a meeting with them, sir, because what we say and what they write is two different things.
सर आज सावरगाव डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल व्हिजिट केलं आहे.
व्हिजिट केलं आहे पंचकर्मा आम्ही सेंटर आम्ही जे देशाचे प्रधानमंत्री इंडियन मेडिसिन आणि इंडियन ओरिजिनल आमचे पयलींचे जे मेडिसिन टेस्टिंग प्रोसिजर आणि वेगळे तरेचे ट्रिटमेंट प्रोटोकॉल्स आयुर्वेदापासून आयुष डिपार्टमेंटच्या माध्यमांतल्यान हे सगळे गोष्टी करपाक म्हणजे डॉक्टर श्रेयाने चालू केला आनी आमचे डॉक्टर बोरकर, डॉक्टर मिनल जोशी आहा तेंचे अंडर जो स्ट्रीम येता ते आमचे डेप्युटी डायरेक्टर आनी त्याच बरोबर आमकां हे सगळे गोष्टी योग्य तरेन आमचे देशाचे प्रधानमंत्री तेंची विचारधारा लोकां मदीं व्हरपाक आनी लोकांक अवेरनस करून ह्यो तरेचे ऑल्टरनेटीव मेडिसीन आनी लोकांच्या जिवनान कितें बरें करूं शकता म्हणून ते आमकां वेगळ्या तरेन फुडें व्हरपाक जाय. आयज इन्स्पेक्ट केल्यार आमचे स्टाफ कितें आहा पोजिशन तें म्हाका कळटा. हांव पळयलां हॉस्पिटल, हांवें ऑलरेडी सांगलेलें आसा की आमकां कार्डियाक चालू करपाक जाय, न्युरोलॉजी चालू करपाक जाय आनी जो पर्यंत ऑर्थोपॅडिक्सचे 3 स्ट्रीम सेंट्रल एक्सेल आमी चालू करूं शकना. आमी म्हणूं शकना की आमी सावथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्टाक पूर्णपणे आमी कमिशन केल्ले आसा. शॉर्टेज आहा स्टाफाचे, जायते गोश्टी आहा ते करतले आमी. आमचें सरकार कॉम्पिटंट आसा ते करपाक.
तर स्पेशल पीडियाक वॉर्डान आयज विजीट केली.
पेडियाक बरें चलता. पेडियाक अर्ली डिटेक्शन सेंटर तांकां बॅकअप दिवंक जाय. ते बरें काम करता आनी म्हाका दिसता की लोकांचें जीवन आनी भुरग्यांचें जीवन सुरक्षीत दवरून तांकां वाचोवपाचें काम आनी बरें लायफ दिवपाचें काम ते करता.